in there, Kay.
Yeah? Another day at the beautiful dog park. Look at the leaves changing. And look at this tree. This is our tree that we've been watching. Almost all the leaves are gone now. They're all on the ground. Look at that in my shadow. Oh, here comes the man. Oh. Where's he going? What are you doing? What? You didn't bring the ball? Go get it. You're crazy. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, ready, friend? Ready? Come on. Now it's Eve's turn. He takes turns about who he brings it to. Look at that tail going. The tail going. And for those people maybe asking, I did train him to run around us before he chases the ball, just because it's easier on his joints and stuff. That way he's not doing so much twisting. So, little tip if you can, if your dogs really like fetch. Hello, welcome back to Vlogtober. It's Monday. We did a live stream this morning. Went to the dog park. We had a lot of fun. As you saw, Clover made a friend. He made a friend. Come here. He made a little friend named Tomo? Toro? Tomo? I think his name might have been Tomo. Anyway, he made a friend who was very cute. He played with dogs for like the first time in like a year. He hasn't played with a dog in so long. So he... Well, you okay? You're excused. So he should be super tired. He played ball and he played with dogs. He made a friend. It was so cute. Grocery store haul! Mostly for lunch because we have our home chef box coming tomorrow, but not today. So I have to make some food today. So got some fresh cilantro, got some shiitake mushrooms, yum. Mostly for like salad bowls and stuff. And we got some scallions, yummy, yummy. Got some tomatoes, some little tomatoes. And then we got some regular Roma tomatoes. Make sure I get them all out of here. There's the third one. We got 3 Roma tomatoes, creamer, and whole milk. Got some mini cucumbers for salad. And 2 things of ground beef. Gonna use this today. I'm gonna make some chili right now. 1 avocado, some cheddar cheese, because we're making well, it has nothing to do with the avocado, but we're making cornbread, and I just got the cornbread mix because I'm feeling lazy, you know, because all you need is 2 eggs, some milk, and vegetable oil. That's it. So I got that. We're gonna make some jalapeno cheddar cornbread. So I'm gonna put some jalapenos from the garden that we still have in the fridge, and some cheddar cheese, yum, to go with the chili that I'm making. And then I just got some sugar. And that's it. Cheese. Did I say cheese? I don't know if I said cheese. Cheese, avocado, beef. 1 to go in the freezer and 1 to cook with right now. So we're gonna make some chili. I'm so hungry for chili, you have no idea. I am clamoring for it. Oh, I also got a big thing of vinegar because I go through a lot of vinegar because I pickle a lot of things. So that's the haul. That's the haul. Geez, I only have 1 can left of kidney beans. I need to go get some more kidney beans. I also got diced tomatoes. I'm gonna use some chili. So I'm gonna start cooking right now, making a nice beef chili for today. So like it's like the first fall day that's cool out. Like it's not super, it doesn't feel like summer anymore. It feels like fall for the first time, and it's kind of nice. So it seems like a chilly day. So it's like 11:35 right now. So I think if I start cooking right now, I'll be done by like 12:30 or 1. So let's do it. Still got a lot of jalapenos in the garden, so I'm gonna use these for jalapeno cheddar cornbread. So they'll just be really delicious. Gonna leave the seeds in because we love a little bit of hot spice. We love the spice. So yum yum. Put some red ones in just for like fun color. The red ones are a little bit less intense. I feel like they're not as hot as the green ones. And if you don't know, this is what jalapenos look like when you leave them on the plant for long enough. They turn red, like that. Isn't that pretty? But their flavor changes a little bit. I mean, it's a little more fruity, a little less intense, but still delicious. Still delicious and spicy. I need to sharpen this knife. All right. Nice. Look at them pretty peppers. We're gonna add the mix. There we go. All right, so we're gonna add some cheese and the jalapenos in, and then we're gonna bake it. Jalapenos. Yum, yum. Okay, I got this little spatula thing, like maybe like 5 months ago, and I love this. This is my favorite little tool in the whole world. It's from a brand called Tovolo. They make all kinds of like fun little kitchen stuff. Oh, actually, there's the logo there. But this thing is awesome because you can get every single little bit of liquid or whatever you're cooking out of the bowl. So here's my mix. But this thing is so awesome. Oh my gosh, why is Clover barking? Do you hear him? He probably lost the ball downstairs or something. He should be sleeping. I don't know why he's not sleeping. Honestly, you know? Bro should be sleeping after the morning he had, you know? But he's full of energy, which I'm not complaining about, you know? He's 5 years old. I thought he would slow down by now, but he is still as energetic as ever, and I think that's wonderful. He's got good heart health, good cardiac health, lots of energy. You know, the bro is, he's awesome. I mean, he definitely only barks down there because he lost the ball. Okay, pretty good. Nice. Time to bake. Oh, let me open the oven first. Time to bake. What happened? What happened? What had happened? What can I help you with? Why are you barking? Why are you barking? Did you lose something? Shouldn't you be napping? Okay, let's see. Let's see what he lost. Oh, I see. You want me to get that? Okay. There you go. I'm not playing with you though. We already went to the park. you're done. Can't get over how empty this looks. It just looks so empty. I don't mind it though, I kind of like it. I can't wait till we get to hang the TV and hang out down here. It's so nice during the day, look at it. Isn't it nice? I want to hang out down here. Clover, help. I'm also getting some treads made for these stairs. I have to move the tape a little bit and get back to the person on Etsy who's making them, but they made one tread already and I love it so much. So I'm having matching treads made. I didn't realize how expensive these are, but it's worth it because if I were to fall down the stairs, I definitely would hurt myself less when the treads are here, and it's gonna help this guy as well. So it's worth the investment. Ooh, it smells good up here. Ooh, it smells good. All right, I'm gonna put the beans in, even though I could probably put those in later, but I'm lazy, so I'll put them in now. All right, here is the finished product. I am done. I put a little yogurt, a little cheese on there, a little onion, and here is the cornbread. I am like indulging today because I'm hungry. All right, I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna watch my friend Ryan on Twitch do villager hunting, and I will see you when it's time for rehearsal. So it's like 10:22 and I'm finally home. I kept all the people that had to sing a little bit, not like the solo stuff till the end, and I was like almost to the very end, like last, but it went really well. I felt really comfortable, and it was a really fun like experience singing with the continual. Oh, hi! Hi! Here comes Clover. Clover, I just got home, so he hasn't seen me since like 4 o'clock, so he's really happy to see me. Hi! How are you? Did you do good? So I hope you enjoyed this busy Monday, and I guess I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.